This is your time.
We got the mission info. We're gonna kill the boogeyman.
We're gonna kill the boogeyman.
Oh, what? This is a great ass level.
Yes.
I played it, but my brother didn't play it. You played it?
No.
Oh, so this level is. Oh, you have a suppressed pistol because these cameras are bullshit.
Oh,
Got
so
it.
this container camera.
Oh, so let me show you that. Let me show you that. All you have to do
Is shoot the cameras
take your hammer out, bitch,
and shoot the cameras.
No, I did it wrong. I
Oh,
think.
look at that. He's sleeping. You are done.
Oh, I want to say it.
Oh, is it bullshit?
You know what?
He's sleeping.
Bitch,
Piss on his head.
cunt.
Pee on his head.
Oh, that no. I'm gonna kill this fat guy.
Oh, look at that man. Look at that man. He's pooping under CCTV surveillance.
He's in the porta potting.
Wow.
Wait a minute.
Porta potty. Porta potty watch
I have to
TV.
kill this guy. Bitch, shut up.
Bitch. Oh shit. Wall up. He's reloading. He's reloading. Oh fuck, you're dead. You fucking dead. Go inside. Come beat Oh my god. Fuck him.
Get fucked.
Focus. No man, he's running. He's running at you.
Bitch.
Yes, I believe in you.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I hate this level, bro. So you know what I'm gonna do?
Fuck him.
Pull my fucking hammer out and fuck this bitch. I don't know what's my hammer.
Fuck him.
No,
Simply.
I'm not gonna go down like that.
Just simply fuck him.
I'm not that kind of bullshit guy.
Yeah,
Bitch.
you are.
Like the fuck bitch. The boogie.
The fuck? The fuck was that, eh?
Bitch, wake the fuck up. The boogeyman is here. Yeah, boogeyman. Got that? This guy's so slow.
Let's go up and tap him.
The DHEBOOGEYMAN boogeyman. Got it.
What the fuck are they doing there? Why the fuck are they doing all
I'm
that?
taking this video to 10 minutes, you know. So the cash.
So we gonna get the cash, bro.
Oh, so you know what?
Shoot that
Bitch.
hair. Oh, look at that.
Wake the fuck up.
You wasting our hammer, man.
No man, don't worry.
Man. Man.
In the boogeyman. Oh, what? You better give that to your boss, you son
Oh
of a
my
bitch.
god, look at his face. He's like,
You wanna see where my hand is going? Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
I'm gonna go to dark mode so you don't see what I'm doing.
18? Oh yeah.
Get some 18 plus shit.
Oh my
This video
god.
better not be age restricted or I'll be the.
Yes, you can take the knives
So I'm gonna
and
kill
cut
this guy.
that person.
He's an asshole.
Okay.
The boogeyman.
Pick up the knife. Let's go.
This guy.
Is hockey man. Knock on the door. Knock on the door. Just fuck him in the head. Just please.
Allahu Akbar!
God, he just missed one poopy shit.
Oh, you know why? This the boogeyman. The boogeyman.
Where's the boogeyman? Oh, there he is. There he is.
Bitch.
Fuck you, dead. The fuck? Oh,
Assassination.
come on. Close the door. Close the door.
Bitch.
Hammer.
Boogeyman.
Just going.
The
Oh my god.
boogeyman.
Oh my god, he's fucked up real hard.
The boogeyman.
Let's go. Oh my god, you're on to the Tatalatum. Oh, look at
This
that.
guy doesn't know I'm here. Bitch.
Oh my god, headshot.
The boogeyman.
Oh, he knows something. He knows something's been going on.
Oh,
He
this
got
guy.
this. Oh shit.
This guy gonna come in.
Just kill that fucking person in the mirror toilet.
Nah, man.
You have to.
I'm gonna go and kill the upper guy. I'm just in the toilet for one second. I'm using my gun.
Knock on the door. Knock on the door.
No. That'll blow my cover. Oh, that's some bullshit.
Aura? Aura?
Aura.
Aura?
Oh, this is some soul music.
Aura?
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Wait, we should buy new weapons.
Now it's my chance. I'm controlling everything.
You know what I bought for this level? I bought a Silent 9.
I'm the boogie.
The Boogeyman.
Hello, sir. Are you awake? No, because I'm gonna fuck you. Fuck you.
Smoke weed every day.
Dun, 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 dun.
So the cameras here. You know what are these? These people heads. These goddamn idiots.
Sir, wake up. Sir, wake up. Sir, there's a head.
Teabag.
So there's head. He's laughing at me.
Teabag.
How to teabag? How to teabag in Deadbolt?
Just turn on the light. Oh my god. The Boogeyman.
Let's go.
Lago.
There's a way. There's a way outside. What should I supposed to do here? Oh,
It's
bonus level.
shit. Oh, but Dagger knows what's up. And he got a fucking dagger in his hand, you know what? You gotta fucking kill him.
Dad.
Then
I am his dad.
fuck him up from the cover. Yada. Open the door, bitch.
Oh my god.
Stand the fuck up. Oh damn. Somebody got a blood on his
Oh shut up to go. Oh my god.
racism.
Oh my god. Oh.
Let me try.
That was chilling. That was really chilling.
You know what I'm gonna do? Fuck
Yeah.
him up.
We're gonna try it a new level.
No. I'm the badass like he.
Wait a minute. I've got a chance. I know what to do. Just go in that vent.
No, we're gonna.
Just go in that vent. Kill that fucking person.
Right here.
Maybe.
Ah,
Maybe you could do more.
I got it.
It doesn't look well. You fucking dead. You fucking dead.
Thanks.
You dead.
How am I gonna go back? That is. Oh my god, no.
Shoot him in the head. Shoot him in the head. Oh, they didn't know. They didn't know.
Oh, is this a friend?
Oh yes. Let's turn on the light, bitch.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeps.
No, it's my chance.
I know how to do that now. Now fuck you. Why are you hitting me like that?
Yes, because you're fucking annoying. You're like a kala jamun.
Color jump. So we found the hack. Over.
Come on, do this.
Uncle Boogeyman. So you know what? My name is the Boogeyman and I'm here to kill your motherfucking ass. Bitch.
Turn off the lights. What was that? This is a meat.
Bitch. Why you don't turn off the light? I can do this level, right? I can do with this level. Let me pick up the hammer. Boom! Saw that! You saw that? Alright, so I did this. I go to the hammer and I got you.
So Boogeyman.
Hey, you better interrogate, motherfucker.
Tell me your name.
Bitch! Your brain got exploded! You got a thug
Just
life.
shoot that man who's lying and he's saying that he's a gay. No, don't throw the hammer. Please don't throw the hammer.
So I'm gonna do it with the range, alright? Bitch!
Oh my god!
One way, one.
Okay, so it's my chance. I'm gonna try it in the other level.
You have the shitty ass gun.
Yeah, I know.
Well, except there.
I know.
You know how I did this level? I kill the fat man in the toilet and then kill everybody. Huh?
Oh fuck, I just wasted.
This is a very hard level, but it's a hack kind of level, so you know what?
You don't know me. What the fuck is happening with you?
Somebody kidnapped me, you know?
Huh?
I fucked them up.
Oh, what the f. Damn.
Oh! There's a black guy up there.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, what the fuck? How do you say that, man? Come on, teach me how you say that shit.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, what the fuck, man? What the fuck?
Just-
Nah. Just leave this game, man.
No, man.
It's
I'm gonna complete this game.
It's difficult.
Mommy. Open the door, asshole. Open the door.
Epic beat, bok. Beat, bok, Hey, what's up, man? My name is Tupac, and I am gay.
Yeah. Tupac.
I have 2 dicks, but call me Tupac, because I have 2 packs of,
That is my cool.
beach.
And what am I supposed to do now? I'm gonna kill him by just reaching here so that I will shoot him in the face. First, let me kill this person, okay? Wow! Wow!
Oh,
He did not know me.
What you did? Show me that.
Fuck you, bitch.
Oh,
Fuck.
Oh,
I'm gonna fuck you. I'm gonna fuck
I know how to do 11 now.
Nobody know me.
Just
I'm
go
a
down.
motherfucking
In the wind, just go
penis.
down like into the wind, man.
Why?
Down. Go into that wind. Talk to that boogeyman candle. Kill that fat bitch. Cause you have the 9mm SMG.
No, I'm not gonna do that, man.
Open the door. Fuck this guy. Yeah, what? Bitch. Nobody saw you for that shit. Close the door. What? Now go to the other toilet. Fuck the fat guy.
Yeah. That's what you gotta do.
What you gotta do?
What you gotta do when we come for you?
Wait a fatty, yeah. Wait a fatty.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, he don't know. No, he
don't know me.
Just close the door. Just close the door, man. Run and close the motherfucking door.
Only he's up to something. I'm gonna shoot him in the head.
A minute. Just go upstairs. Just one guy's gonna come down. You can keep. Go back. No, go downstairs, Jilly. Kill these guys. Let him come.
I'm just gonna take the cover.
For the first time in your life. Duck, bitch. Oh. There's one guy left.
I'm gonna
You're
fuck him
gonna
in the.
just open fire at his ass.
Oh, why is he looking at that person? Fuck
Bitch,
you.
homie,
Fuck
nigga,
you.
CJ.
What the fuck are you saying?
That's how we do. Bitch, show me fucking CJ.
I'm gonna inspect.
I'm Jonah.
I'm Jana.
It doesn't look well. The candle is clutching.
I don't know what justice says.
Or Justice said. Batman.
So it is done.
Can you just open the door downstairs? Right one? Oh, that guy's waiting for a fatality. Look, the platform. Look at that. That fat guy's waiting for a fatality.
Fatality.
Teabag him. He wants to suck it.
Fatality.
He wants to suck it.
Fatality. Oh, that was the best
You
fatality.
were Sub-Zero back there. I saw you.
I don't know what that just means.
I'ma beat my car up. I'ma beat my up.
And that is how it's done.
The boogeyman. The boogeyman.
It just take us 10 minutes, 17 seconds. What
Look
the
at
fuck?
man. Increase your fucking literature.
Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe and like for more Kala Jam.